Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make the half double crochet ribbing. If you've already seen my tutorial on working into the third loop, you're in great shape. If you haven't, it is recommended, but I will go over the same thing here. So we'll start by chaining one and turning our work. I always like to work a regular half double crochet into each of my ends so that I get an even edge. I like to use this for sweaters and also for hats. And when I'm finished, I turn my work and begin building up by working along this edge. So doing a regular half double crochet stitch here helps to have a sturdier base for the rest of your project. So here's my regular half double crochet. And then I half double crochet into the third loop across. The third loop is this loop in the front right here. The reason that's called the third loop is because our typical loops are stitches that we'd get if we did like a single crochet stitch, for example, are on the top here. These V's are our two regular loops. So this would be our back loop. This would be our front loop. And this is our third loop. So we half double crochet in the third loop across. Then once you get to the last stitch of your row, work a regular half double crochet stitch. Chain one and turn. We do the same thing on this side, a regular half double crochet. Then we take a look and remember, this is our back loop. This is our front loop. And this is our third loop. So we want to work in the third loop, which is all the way in the front. And we work in the third loop all the way across. And this is how you make the half double crochet ribbing. I use it in my Starling Skies pullover in the Winter 2019 collection, and I'm sure to be using it again in the future. Regular half double crochet in the end. And in the third loop, which is actually in the very front of your work, all the way across. And it's a really neat ribbing because it's going to be the most knit looking ribbing that you're going to create. It looks a lot like knit and purl stitches, so it's really cool. Thank you for watching.